Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're right outside of Emancipation Park in New Kingston. So I came up my lane. I'm gonna have to try head back in my lane. So what we're taking a look on today is Belmont 1, which is a commercial development right here in Kingston by Sygnus Group at a cost of 3.7 billion Jamaican dollars. So that's what we're going to take a look on today. It's on Belmont Road, basically in New Kingston. It's almost finished, so September was the deadline. I think they're almost ready to open doors. So that's what we're going to take a look on today. So if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So the building will be 9 floors. 5 of them will be commercial. The others are mainly for parking. And they'll also have a rooftop area. It's a very modern design. I know the drone is down, so you guys unfortunately won't see any drone shots. And I think the building is looking pretty. I think the main color is white. It stands out, it's very clean, very neat. But I'll put in the comments a link for a drone video that would have done while it's under construction. But now we just have to, we just have to get some ground shots of the building. So I'll try and show you guys as much as I can, but the videos have to go on. So again, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comment. I'm not sure if I said Belmont 1 before, but it's 1 Belmont. That's the name of the property. So you guys can probably get a glimpse right there. So it is in the left of your screen. So it's right there. So that's the property. So all the scaffolding is down. Every exterior material is in, windows, everything is in, standing tall. And it's a very good development because the property it's on was 2 lots with 2 older properties. Not sure, I think one was a real estate company and one was probably I think a lawyer's office or something like that. But the properties were very run down, so this is a very welcome development by Sygnus. They also mentioned that the property is fully tenanted, so not sure who the tenants are gonna be, but they're saying that they have completed all the tenants, so it's fully booked. So we just drive into the location and then I just do a quick walk by so you guys can get a better view from the ground. So 1 Belmont, almost finished. Very modern commercial development. A lot of time we say luxury apartments, which is residential. But we're getting a mixture from time to time, which is commercial and residential. Right, so we're on Belmont Road. So scaffolding is still towards the lower section. So the building is right here. Alright guys, so a billboard was there as well, but if you check one of my older videos, you'll be able to see the billboard of what the finished product looks like. So I'm gonna try to get a parking and then give you guys some better shots from the ground. So stay tuned for that. And again guys, thanks for clicking. So let's get some ground shots of 1 Belmont. Alright guys, so there you have it, 1 Belmont. I was able to show you guys a glimpse of the development. So again guys, remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you think. This is ATL, and right beside ATL is Hyundai dealership. So again, leave your comments, let me know what you think about the 1 Belmont development. So based on what you can see so far, color, design, everything, let me know what you think. And again, I'll put the link for the drone video I did a while back, so you guys can get some aerial shots. Remember to like and comment and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and definitely share the video as well so other persons can see some of these developments that are happening in Jamaica. So as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking. Lots of traffic in New Kingston, and I'll see you guys on another video.